Hi, this is Ravi here. In this video, we are going to discuss about Cloud NGFW credits. What are these Cloud NGFW credits? In order to use Cloud NGFW for AWS, Azure, and all its associated CDSS services, customers can now reach out to their account teams in order to procure Cloud NGFW credits. These credits will be available on term basis, and most importantly, these credits are fungible. What does that mean? Once after procuring these credits, customers can use these credits across AWS and Azure Cloud NGFW services and also across multiple tenants. Let's now try to understand how to activate these Cloud NGFW credits. Once the purchase order has been processed and invoiced, the customer will receive the order summary and the admin contact will receive an activation email as you can see on the screen. This activation email will contain the credit pool ID, the start and end date of the term, and also the number of credits that are being associated with this particular customer. You can now click on this activate link to start using Cloud NGFW credits. Once after clicking on this activate link, you will be redirected to this page where you can start activation of Cloud NGFW credits, after which you will be able to deposit these credits into the customer support portal account into which you wanted to deposit the credits. You can select that and click on deposit credits option that is available over here so that the credits will be deposited into the Palo Alto customer support portal account. After depositing the credits, you can now log into your customer support portal and select the account into which we have deposited the credits. After selecting the account, now go to software or Cloud NGFW credits section and click on this Cloud NGFW credits tab so that you will be able to see all the credit pool IDs that are associated with your account and the total number of credits that are being deposited, and also the start and end date of the term associated with the particular credit pool ID can be seen over here within Palo Alto customer support portal. Let's now try to go through a live demonstration on how exactly we'll be able to manage these Cloud NGFW credits. After logging into Palo Alto customer support portal, select the account into which we have deposited the Cloud NGFW credits and go to products, software or Cloud NGFW credits and click on this Cloud NGFW credits where you'll be able to see the credit pool ID associated with your account and the total number of credits. The start and end date of the term will be available within this customer support portal. Credits are being deposited into your account. What's next? How do you manage these credits? How are we going to associate these credits to the Cloud NGFW services for both Azure and AWS? For that, you can see an option over here, go to Cloud NGFW credits, which will be taking you to Palo Alto Hub page. Within this Palo Alto Hub, we have introduced a new application, Cloud NGFW Credit Management app. This is the application using which you will be able to manage the Cloud NGFW credits. So let's now try to click on this. Here is the landing page of Cloud NGFW credits application where you'll be able to see all the credit pool IDs and the credits associated with your customer support portal accounts. For this demonstration, I'm going to use this particular credit pool where I have 100 credits associated with my account. So let me try to check the details over here. So here I have already created one of the deployment profile where I have associated 55 out of 100 credits to my AWS Cloud NGFW. So one important thing to be taken care by the customer over here before creating this deployment profile. So for example, let me try to create this so that it will be easy for you to understand. So before creating the deployment profile, customers should register the firewalls, both AWS and Azure Cloud NGFW firewalls, with the customer support portal account into which we have deposited the credits. For example, if I want to create this Azure deployment profile, and let me try to provide the name of the deployment profile and the cloud type, and you will see here the cloud NGFW serial number is getting populated over here automatically. In order to get this serial number populated, as I have mentioned just now, you should have already registered the firewall with the customer support portal account into which we have deposited the credits. So for example, if I check this serial number, if I go to my Azure Cloud NGFW, so you can go to this Cloud NGFW, for example, and go to your support plus troubleshooting section where you will be able to see the product serial number. So this is the serial number associated with my Cloud NGFW. Since I have already registered my Cloud NGFW with the CSP account, I'm able to see that serial number getting populated over here in the dropdown. After selecting the serial number, you need to key in the number of credits that you wanted to associate with this particular deployment profile. Here you'll also be able to see the total available credits. Out of 100, I have already utilized 55 and there are 45 remaining credits. Let me try to associate 40 credits with this deployment profile. Save the configuration and you should see the status being updated and the status is active now. I have utilized 95 credits out of 100 where I have allocated 55 to AWS and 40 to Azure. So now, for example, after a period of time, I have identified that I need some more credits to be allocated to Azure because the utilization is more. You will just be able to edit this by clicking on this deployment profile and add additional credits. And also, let us say if you wanted to decrease the number of credits, even that is possible. Let us say I'm going to change this to 40 and you'll be able to save the deployment profile config. And the credits, as you can see, it is automatically going back to your or available number of credits. So you'll be able to see the status being updated and the total number of credits now changed to 40. And you'll also be able to increase the number of credits. For example, if I want to give 55 over here, you'll be able to do that as well. You have been doing all these operations like creation of the deployment profile, updating the deployment profile by increasing and decreasing the number of credits, right? You'll be able to see all these logs as part of the audit trail over here. So it'll show the details related to the deployment profile creation, who has created and who has modified the deployment profile, and the status, like it will show whether it is created, edited, and deleted also. Let us say if you are deleting, you'll be able to delete that and the credits will go back to your pool and it will show as part of the available number of credits. So we have now created the deployment profiles and allocated the number of credits for each of these Cloud NGFW services. You'll be able to see these credits are being associated with your Cloud NGFW tenants. For example, you can go to your AWS Cloud NGFW tenant under subscription section. You'll be able to see these credits are being available over there on AWS Cloud NGFW tenant. And similarly for Azure, you'll be able to see this credits within the credit usage section under support and troubleshooting page. Thank you for watching the video.